You can use Binance. So what you need to do, you need to click the add fund. Okay, add funds. Click that add funds there. So if you are using Binance, you click the add funds here. Then you click on-chain deposit. Okay, take note, on-chain deposit. Click that. Then it will show you currency. So what we need to do, we need to select the currency that we are going to transfer, which is USDT. Okay, so we click the USDT. Then make sure to select the USDT which is in the BIP20. Okay, this one, BIP20, BSC, BIP20. That's the one. No other than BSC20. Okay, so you click that. Then it will show you an address. Show you this address. Then you have to copy this address. Okay, copy that. You have to click this double square. Then it will give you to copy. Okay, so it's copied now. Now, since already copied, make sure that 990. Then we can now open the UniLive. Okay, so open the UniLive. Then in UniLive, you go to the circle. Okay, go to the circle like we mentioned. We go to the circle here. Then you click this Unimax. Okay, so we click that one. Then once you're already inside the Unimax, what you need to do is you click this asset. Click the asset to check the asset. Okay. So as you can see, USDT is 0. So what we need to transfer to Binance is USDT. So in this case, we have UNX. So in order for this UNX to become USDT, we need to go to exchange. Okay, this one. Take note, we need to go to exchange. This exchange. So we click that exchange. Okay. So in here, what you need to do, you click this cell. Okay, you click the cell because we are going to sell the UNX. Okay, so we click the cell. Okay, so you will notice we have the balance which is 198.55. So we need to put that 198. Okay, we put the 198 here at the quantity. Okay, 158. 198. 198. Then since we already put that one, then the next one is you have to click this sell UNX. Okay? So this is the one, sell UNX. Okay. Boom, successfully sent. Okay. So you can refresh if you like. Oh, sorry. This one is already there. Then what you need to do, the next step is we go to asset. This asset. Okay, this one. We click this asset. Okay. Then if you will notice, we already transferred the UNX. We already sold the UNX. So it is now USDT. See here, it's already USDT. It's already USDT here. Okay, that's USDT. Okay, if you will check the UNX, so it's only 0.5 remaining. So it means to say it's already here. Okay, it's already in USDT. So since it's already in USDT, what we need to do to transfer that out to withdraw, we have to click this withdraw. Okay, click this withdraw. This one, you have to click this withdraw. Okay, then it will come here or also withdraw. So what you need to do here is put the address here. Okay, so we have to put the address and the amount here, which is 55, then the code. So we click the address, we paste it here. Okay, 990, that's the address, then 55, then the code. Click this get code. Okay, so it's already sent the code, so we need to go to email address, then, oh, not this one, this the other email. Wait, I forgot the email. Okay, we need to get that email address. Okay, here it's 9629. So 9629. So we put here 9629. Okay, then after you put the verification code, so there is $1 fee. Take note, there is $1 fee. You might ask, there is $1 fee. So I'm going to receive $54 in my wallet. Okay, so let's just do that. Let's click the submit. Okay, successfully submitted. Then you can check from the history. Okay, you click the history here. Oh, this one. Okay, this is the history. Okay, we click the history. Then you click here. Instead of deposit, here you click the withdraw. Oh, yeah, it's withdrawal. So it's pending. So we have to wait for a few minutes until it is done. Okay, so verify po natin. So click natin yung ating so makikita nyo po dito, ayan, okay na. Sa withdrawal natin ay ano na siya, completed na. Okay, so as much as possible, you can wait from 0 to 24 hours. Okay, wait nyo po yun pag nag-withdraw kayo, 0 to 24 hours. Pero minsan 1 minute, 2 minutes, minsan 5 minutes, depende po sa blockchain, ano. So ngayon, once na na-withdraw nyo na, i-verify nyo na dun sa inyong receiver. So, katulad po nito sa Binance. So, check natin dito sa ating asset kung nandito na siya, kung dumating na. So, minus $1 po ito. Ito yung fee. $1 yung fee. So, ayan, dumating na po. Nandito na yung 54 USD. So, ganun lang po ito. Ayan, deposit 54. So, ganun po mag-withdraw. Okay? So, thank you very much.